Hi everyone, this is Sandy Breesy with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Today I have a fun card using the new Boardwalk Fun suite in our new mini catalog. It has a bundle which is kind of a carnival theme. We have on the stamp set we have some palm trees, so this could be for beach and fairs or whatever. And then we have a fun little roller coaster. We have some different sentiments, and then the dies are what really make this pop. We have a ticket, we have some palm trees, and this great Ferris wheel. Couple sets to go with this Ferris wheel, and then we have some little accent pieces as well. Then the suite also comes with some little fun foam embellishments. I've used most of them. I just have a few left. I'm not going to use these today on this card because I'm almost out. But it also comes with this great designer paper. I think I've ordered like 3 or 4 packs of this. It has a piece of this pattern with the pink and blue and orange clouds. We have suns on the back. This one, which I'm using today, has water on the back, and then the orange and blue clouds. We have this one with lots of different carnival cutout pieces you can use. And then the back's just kind of a pink and yellow ombre. I have not used too much of this yet. Then we have these with the tickets. Now this is this, I've cut some of these out already. And then the back has kind of this fun little sparkly water pattern. And then here's one with a pink sparkly water pattern, and it has the palm trees on the other side. Now here's a bigger piece of that right here. Isn't that, you can make 6 cards out of this. And then we have that fun side. Then we have these fun pink palm trees on one side of here, and then a pink ombre on the other. Is that 6? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's 6. So those are our different patterns. You get 2 of each. I have the remnants of a couple packs in here already, so that's why it looks like more. All right, let's put this aside. All right, so we're going to use stamps, dies, and paper on this project, plus a couple extra items. So let's get out our supplies. We're using Pool Party for our card base, and then I'm using the pattern with the orange and blue, and I'm using Timid Tiger, and that has water on the other side, but we're just doing the cloud side. And then I'm using some of this new shimmer paper. It's pastel shimmer paper. It has pink, yellow, and blue. This is Pool Party. I think it's Lemon Lolly and maybe Pretty in Pink. They're beautiful, but they are an online exclusive, so you won't find them in the catalog. But I'm using a little strip of that. I've die cut the Ferris wheel out of Timid Tiger, and then I've used the 3 banner punch to do a white and a Timid Tiger label. So we're going to do our stamping first, and then we'll do some assembly. All right, so the ink color I'm using today is Basic Gray. I'm going to do all my stamping with that. We're going to do Celebrate on our banner. It's hard to see. I'm going to put this on here so I can see it a little better. I'm going to do Celebrate. What? Not quite centered, not quite stamped. Let's try that one more time. Put that over a little more to the right. A little more even pressure. There we go. And then we're going to do Happy Birthday on the inside. This is a great kids or a teen card. If you have, if you get this and you have kids in September, with September or August birthdays, that's the time of the state fair usually. So really good time to give them a gift of tickets to the fair or something like that. Or if you have an amusement park in your area. Okay, so I'm inking up this big roller coaster stamp with Basic Gray. It's hard for me to hold these blocks sometimes, but I am going to attempt to do this. And I'm stamping it as close to the bottom as I can get. I'm just leaving a little bit. Hopefully that inked up pretty well. Yay, that looks pretty good. All right, we are done stamping. Super easy, right? Okay, so we're going to, I'm looking for my glue. We are going to adhere this to the card front. Well, might have a clog. Hold on. There we go. Adhere this is going to go all the way. You know what? This is going to be right at the top. And it covers the whole top of the card from side to side. Okay. And then we're going to glue this shimmer paper strip across. And I stamped that pretty straight, so I think I can just leave that slight border of the bottom of the roller coaster there. And then I'm going to take this Timid Tiger label, cut it apart, and then extend that and just glue it to the back of my Celebrate, just to add a little color to this banner. Okay, we'll do the other side. Okay. Just makes kind of a little extra extended color on that banner. All right, let's pop this up. Let me find my dimensionals. Giving it a second to kind of adhere and dry a bit. Okay, we're going to put this right here, overlapping just a little bit. And then we're going to pop up our Ferris wheel. So I'm using mini dimensionals, and I should be able to get them right on here, and we'll do maybe one there and one here. Now, if you need to maybe cut those apart, make them a little smaller, you can, but they should be okay like that. Pop this up right here. And I am using the Pearlized Faceted Circles. These are in the mini catalog as well. But they have different kind of shades of pinky coral looking, but it's almost orange. So I'm going to use the darker. There's different shades. These are the last of my darker ones. They're all split up in projects this month. Isn't that cute? Now, if you were doing this for a boy, you could leave off your dots or use pool party embellishments or something like that. So super fun. Love that one. Okay. Just remember, when you spend $50 with me, you're going to get a set of the Card Quest projects, which we did last Thursday. And we have our bonus days going on, where with every $50, you also, not only will you get a free kit of projects, you're going to get a $5 coupon to use next month. So who doesn't want free stuff? I know I do. So thanks for joining me, and we will see you all on Monday. All right. Bye-bye.